Hello, welcome to Acupuncture at Alma Vale. Today I would like to talk to you about male fertility. It's a particular area of interest of mine. After all, for every woman that comes to see me struggling to create the baby that she longs for, it does take two, and so half of the picture belongs to what's going on with her male partner. Now, what's happening today is that men are being told frequently that their semen analysis is normal, their sperm are normal. Back in 1992, 30% of men's sperm were formed normally, so that was normal. Back in 2010, that's 9 years ago, that number had declined to only 4%. These men are still told, this is normal, you're fine. Now, normal just means this is what most people have, and we can look at the environment in which we live to understand why these numbers are declining so rapidly. An analogy I often think of is if I was going to buy a car and there were 100 cars in the car lot, and 96 of them all were abnormally shaped. 4 of them had wheels in the right place, steering wheel in the right place, bonnet the right size. Would you trust that the engine would work properly, that the brakes would work properly? This is a situation we're in with only 4% quite often of men's sperm just looking normal from the outside. The great news is there's a lot that can be done to increase those numbers enormously. Do you know that it takes a sperm cell 100 days to form and become mature, which is a similar amount of time that it takes an immature ovum to develop into an egg ready for ovulation and conception. There's an awful lot that men can do to improve the quality of their sperm. Obviously, acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine improve that enormously, but also making sure your weight is optimal, making sure that your diet is full of good, nutritious food, preferably organic, stopping those cigarettes, the alcohol, recreational drugs, and taking a good supplement so that your micronutrition is great. Many of the women coming to see me are undergoing invasive IVF treatment or ICSI treatment, not because that there's a problem with their fertility, but because their male partner's fertility is so poor. And this is expensive, it's invasive, and most of all, it really doesn't need to happen. Acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine will help men improve their fertility, and often couples will then conceive naturally, which is what we all want really at the end of the day. If you're interested in finding out more or booking in for treatment, do call or book in for a phone chat. We're happy to help and talk to you.